1, 2. You can make the details on the inside. Here is one screw, second screw. It is going from here inside, here the wires, and next step it will be going the wire close here to here. T20. This cable has to go across here, here, down. For installation, I will use this wire going across this hole here as the support. Okay. Stop.
Stop, right?
This one, that one, going to out. This one screw, and here it is the other screw. Here, I'm just interesting how to putting out. There is nothing there more. Okay, you can stop. This screw, and here it is a clip. Clip. This cable, touching, fixing around this cable. Come on closer. Here and going to there. Cable is arriving from here right now and going to over there. I will go putting out the chair, bumper, this plastic, and continue over there. this one, just pull it out. After that, from this wall of this panel up to here, going out. I will use the tool Next step will be removing this one out. Here it is going to the two tools, and after that softly and carefully this one out. After that, from the bottom of the caps, it is here this cover. You are just take it here, pull it out, and here are two screws. Releasing this cable from here.
Okay.
Here is a pin which is necessary push with a tiny screwdriver. When it is out, here it is the other one. Let's take it out. And here the other pin. Okay. Next step will be releasing 6 screws around this panel. When you are putting out on a side, after that it will be necessary releasing this panel, where is the 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Just release screws, take it out, and after that take out this panel. There is the clip which is holding it on the place. There is 1, 2, 3. It is necessary to push them, and after that it is possible to release. Taking care, don't broken this soft plastic around the panel. Here it is necessary to remove 2 screws. 1, second. When it is screws, it's necessary pull it slowly, carefully out on this way until you release these 2 points which they are fixing over here, and on other side same as well, over here. There we will be able to see here the clip where we will connecting later the camera system. When you are release the panel and you are pulling out this part, here is 2 screw. Release them, and this radio, it is possible, there is the rails, possible to see it there. Over here. But anyway, here is the connections which we needed for our camera system. That means right now we are disconnect everything, and we are going to connect the new device. Right now we will connect this box to car and test it if everything working well. It means 1 cable, 2nd cable, and 3rd cable. It will be wiring which is going between device and this. As you see it, color to color. Done. And this one to here. Good. Once this part is done, right now when we are test everything it is working, all devices and cables will be plugged back where the cable, which is this one from the unit, and the cable has to moving here. After that, we have to somehow plug the radio back, and the device unit will be inside behind of him. I will describe later. And it is small change there. This box will be going across this hole inside, because behind of the globe, behind of the central console is not a free space there. Therefore, everything going close this part, because we already tested and it's working. The next step, it will be all plastic trim putting on the place, correct one, which means the central plastic trim with the fans will be connected together, but it is just a plugging inside, nothing, no big deal. In the place with the ashtray where was 4 screws, just plug carefully back, screw back the screws, and in the central console 6 screws, plug it back, and after that we will continue with the rest. Okay, when all trims are on the place, it was just simple plug and click job. We will be focusing for cover the main unit for a camera system under of the hood, under of the glove box. Basically, it will be enough when we just the sticking and with some cable tie to fix the unit here, and after that just close the box. This is the point what we are going to do right now. Okay, right now are all cables covering under the hood, under the place for feet. As you see it, it's fixed, and right now it will be enough. Just put it back the cover. Okay, cover is on the place. As you see it, everything nice covered, and we are mostly done with the job. Right now, the final test. You will see how it is looking when the camera is installed directly on the screen. Okay, we will make it at providing final test. I will start the car. Right now I will put the reverse mode, and as you can see it, camera is working nice and clear with together with the navigation lines. Okay, thank you so much for watching this tutorial how to install the camera system to BMW G21 car. See you probably in the next video. Bye.